Welcome to The Explainer. We're unpacking India's location and extent today. Let's dive straight into a massive geographical puzzle. Ever wonder why Indian clocks show the exact same time, even though the sun rises 2 hours earlier east? The secret's in longitudes. Think of these as imaginary vertical lines on Earth that totally dictate time zones. From Gujarat to Arunachal, India's extreme western and eastern edges have a massive gap of 30 longitudinal degrees. Every longitude takes 4 minutes to cross, so 30 degrees times 4 equals a neat 2-hour natural time difference. To fix this, India uses one standard meridian passing right through Mirzapur to perfectly unify the clocks. Solved. Now, what about latitudes? These horizontal lines measure north-south positions. Let's use them to pinpoint India's exact global address. On a macro scale, India sits neatly in the northern and eastern hemispheres, right below the Asian continent. Framed roughly between 8 and 37 degrees north and 68 to 97 east, these coordinates perfectly box the mainland. This translates to a truly massive scale. We're talking over 3,000 kilometers long and almost 3,000 wide. Check out this total landmass area. It's a staggering 3.28 million square kilometers. That is absolutely huge. Yet, despite its massive population, India occupies just a tiny 2.4% of the Earth's total land surface. But hey, even with that tiny percentage, it still proudly ranks as the 7th largest country on the entire planet. Let's zoom in a bit. The Tropic of Cancer literally slices right through, practically dividing India into 2 halves. This invisible line crosses exactly 8 states, sweeping from Gujarat in the west all the way over to Mizoram. Now, it's super interesting to compare that massive northern land boundary against those really extensive southern coastal borders. Looking at this geopolitical neighborhood, just notice those absolutely immense land borders shared with nations like Bangladesh and China. So based on this immense geographic scale, exactly how many states and union territories does India actually have?